Hi everyone, this is Erik. Today we are going to talk about writing practice, lesson time in the classroom. Part 1, vocabulary. Door, desk, pupil, chair, floor tiles, locker, gloop, notice board, blackboard, bookshelf, If you like this video, you can download this free worksheet. You can find the link in the description box. Part 2. Choose the right words. Now please pause this video and start to do it now. Now you have done, let's check the answer. Blackboard, teacher, bookshelf, notice board, gloop, locker, floor tiles, chair, pupil, desk, door. Part 3, completing the sentences. Before we continue to check the answer, please pause the video and start doing now. Now you have done, please check your answer. Number 1, the pupil. We have 3 pupils here, so we need to put as. The pupils are in the classroom. Number 2, 3 pupils. We can see 1, 2, 3. We're going to say they are listening attentively to the teacher. They are listening to the teacher without doing anything else. They sit there and listen to the teacher attentively. Number 3, we can see the teacher. One is standing in front of the classroom, or you can say in front of the pupils. Number 4, the teacher, she is holding a very long ruler in. Teacher, she is a girl, a woman, in her hand. Number 5, there is how many? 1, One is there is a group. Where's the group? On the bookshelf. On the bookshelf. Number 6. What do you see? Books. We see books more than one. We say are. Books are. Books are inside in the bookshelf. Number 7. What do you see? Lockers. What color? Purple. Where are the lockers? On your right. The lockers on the right. Lockers, many are. Lockers are what color? Purple. Purple in color. Now we go to the last one. Number 8. The classroom is clean, very clean, no rubbish, and neat. Everything put in the right position, very neat, not messy. If you like this video, you can like and share our videos to let your friends know more about it. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel too to get more information and new videos and lessons every week. See you soon. Bye.